You have reached your destination.
Yep. Okay, so I'm doing my exhaust hanger in the center. I'm going to do a custom one. I've run out of flat steel strips, so I've taken one of these pieces I've got, is angle iron, and I've cut it down the center to do this. I've also drilled holes that correspond with this. This is the hanger that came with my car, so I'm just going to reuse it. And I've got a C-clamp, I've got a 2-inch pipe clamp that I'm going to be using to hold it all together. You'll see that here in a few minutes. So I'm going to weld this onto my tube here at about right there. A little bit down maybe. And yeah, about right there. And I will use that piece that I just showed you, the J piece, L piece, to connect to there, onto that. So that'll be more apparent once I'm done, but I need to shorten this actually. Oops, by about an inch or so. So it hangs up a little bit further. Somewhere thereabouts, yeah. But I want to center it over the pipe, over the exhaust pipe, so I can clamp it without any issue. Yeah, I'm going to take a couple inch and yeah, some off. Okay, that's welded in and done. I may grind down the welds a little bit to make them look nicer, but yeah, I think it will. But that's finished. I'm going to paint this next with some chassis paint that I've been using with the rest of the chassis, and I'll then string up the exhaust. And we're in. I'm all done. Clamped it down. Looks pretty good. I did grind the welds in a little bit, and I painted it, so that's all finished. Let's see if I can get a better shot. Yep, not bad. Not bad. What I'm using for a clamp is this thing. Got it off Amazon. It's fucking massive. It's called a strong clamp. And yeah, it looks like it is. I've got a similar setup in the back with that adjustable bar stock with holes in it. I'll show that to you real quick. And that's, where is that? Tough to see, but it's right there. Once my muffler arrives, I'll be using that same sort of a setup to clamp it together, I think. And I've got the stock MGA, well, it's a new one. Where's the damn thing? There it is. Rear muffler hanger. So once like I said, I get the muffler, I'll put all that stuff together and clamp it all down. And that'll be the end of the exhaust.